Welcome to my channel. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering smart money tactics to achieve financial success. When we think about finances, we often think about budgeting, saving, and investing. But what if I told you that there's a way to take your financial game to the next level? It's called Smart Money Tactics, and it's an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These tactics are essential for anyone looking to achieve financial success, and today I'll show you how to master them. Many of us struggle with debt, lack of savings, or poor investment choices. We might feel like we're stuck in a financial rut, and no matter how hard we try, we just can't seem to get ahead. You might be living paycheck to paycheck, or worse, you might be drowning in debt. You might be struggling to save for retirement or even just to build up an emergency fund. Or maybe you're making investment choices that just aren't working for you. You might be feeling frustrated, anxious, or even hopeless about your financial situation. You're not alone. Millions of people around the world are struggling with the same financial challenges. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from these financial struggles? What if I told you that there's a way to take control of your finances and start achieving your financial goals? The truth is, most of us are just winging it when it comes to our finances. We're not being intentional or strategic with our money. We're not setting clear goals or making plans to achieve them. And that's why we're not seeing the results we want. We're stuck in a cycle of financial mediocrity, and it's time to break free. Let's start with the first component of smart money tactics. Specific. When you set a financial goal, it's got to be specific. What do you want to achieve? What specific steps are you going to take to get there? For example, instead of saying, I want to save more money, you could say, I want to save $1,000 in the next 3 months. See how much more specific and clear that is? The next component is measurable. How are you going to measure your progress? What metrics are you going to use to track your success? Let's say you want to increase your income. You can measure your progress by tracking your daily or weekly earnings. The point is to be able to see how far you've come and make adjustments as needed. The third component is achievable. Is your goal achievable? Is it realistic? You don't want to set a goal that's so lofty it's impossible to achieve. That's just going to lead to frustration and disappointment. For example, if you're trying to pay off debt, your goal might be to pay off a certain amount of debt each month. The fourth component is relevant. Is your goal relevant to your overall financial goals? Is it aligned with what you want to achieve in the long run? You don't want to be wasting your time and energy on goals that aren't going to get you where you want to go. The final component is time-bound. When do you want to achieve your goal by? Having a deadline gives you a sense of urgency and motivation. It helps you stay focused and driven. One powerful tip that can drastically change someone's financial situation is to start small. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Start with one goal, one area of your finances, and focus on that. Get that right, and then move on to the next thing. This is where the power of compounding comes in. Small changes today can add up to make a huge difference in the long run. Implementing smart money tactics can have a profound impact on your financial life. It can help you get out of debt, build an emergency fund, and start investing for the future. It can help you achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always wanted. So I encourage you to take action today. Start thinking about your financial goals and how you can make them smart. In conclusion, mastering smart money tactics is essential for achieving financial success. By making your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you'll be able to take control of your finances and start achieving your financial dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite money tactics? Do you have any smart goals you're working on? Let me know, and be sure to tune in next time for more strategies on achieving financial success. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you love the content you just watched. Thank you for watching.